So what we want to talk about now is we want to kind of delve a little bit more into capacitors. And so first let's talk about the capacitor itself. What are they? Well, they are devices that store charge. Okay, that's what they are. They're devices that store charge. And the simplest capacitor is made by taking two plates and separating them by something that doesn't conduct electricity, such as air or some kind of dielectric material. And a dielectric means that it's a polarized charged molecule. Okay, so it could be like aluminum or something like that. So we have these two plates, and each plate has been charged. One plate has a positive charge, and the other plate has a negative charge. So this side may be positively charged, and this side may be negatively charged. Remember that if we draw the field points away from positive towards negative. So the field here between these two plates goes from left to right. The capacitance of a material tells you is related to how much charge the material can hold per volt. And it is equal to how much charge is on the surface area divided by the voltage across the two plates. And that charge is equal to this value, epsilon naught, which is called the permittivity of free space. And it is a constant just like K is. As a matter of fact, K is related to this. It's 4 pi over epsilon naught. But this is a constant that makes everything work. And is 8.85 times e to the negative 12. So let me just check that out just real quick. Yes, it's e to the negative 12. So let me just make sure I have that in my PowerPoint here.